In this video we are going to see installation of fan coil unit method. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. Scope and purpose. This method statement covers the on-site installation of fan coil units, FCU, and the requirements of checks to be carried out, reference documents, project specifications, approved shop drawings, latest revision, approved material submittals, general. Fan coil units generally be installed in locations shown in drawings, serving apartments, mechanical rooms, etc., both in concealed areas and exposed, supplying cold dehumidified air-conditioned space, equipment, drilling machine, spirit level, scaffolding, hand tools of tradesmen, responsible personnel, project engineers, construction in charge, site engineer and site supervisor, QA and QC inspectors, safety officer, site foreman, pipe fitters, helpers. Method of PRE installation. Ensure that approved material required to carry out work will be available. Prior to commencement of work, area and access will be inspected to confirm that the site is ready to commence the work. All relevant documentation and material applicable to particular section of works will be checked by site engineer before commencement. Physical verification of material will be carried out for any damages prior to taking from stores. The site engineer or supervisor will give necessary instruction to tradesmen and provide necessary construction and shop drawings. The site engineer, supervisor will also check that tools and equipments available are in compliance to contract requirements. The site supervisor also explains tradesmen regarding safety precautions to be observed. Method of installation. 1. Prior to commencement of work, coordinate ion will be done with other services. 2. Determine the position of fan coil unit on the ceiling and mark the location of supports as per approved shop drawing. 3. Prepare and fix the fan coil unit supports as per approved construction drawing and specification. 4. Ensure that vibration isolators of approved make, type and model are installed. 5. Install the fan coil units by lifting it slowly by using suitable lifting aids. If necessary, manufacturer's recommendations shall be followed during installation. 6. Any cut edges of angles, channels or threaded rods will be touched up with zinc-rich paint. 7. Fan coil units will be connected with piping connections complete with valves and accessories as indicated in approved shop drawing. 8. Ensure that dielectric unions are used for piping connection to FCUs. 9. FCU valve packages shall be provided with drain pan as shown in approved shop drawing. 10. Ensure that drain connections are made with adequate slope with running trap. 11. Complete the duct connections to fan coil units as shown in approved shop drawing. 12. Complete the electrical power connection includes earthing all respects as per approved electrical drawing and manufacturer's recommendations. 13. Ensure that adequate space for maintenance of fan coil units and valve package is available. 14. Install the thermostat control units as per shop drawing / architectural / SS / FM drawing. 15. Complete the BMS interfacing with dock controllers as per approved BMS drawings. Quality control. OS along with project engineer and site supervisor will monitor that all components are installed as per the contract specifications and approved submittals. Inspection request shall be submitted to the main contractor, consultant. Safety work will commence as per safety regulations laid down in the contract specification and project safety plan. Proper safety harness to be used and secured. If required, all personal protective equipment shall be used as appropriate according to the nature of job. Housekeeping shall be of good standard and all cut lengths and debris shall be removed. Thank you for watching our video. We will meet in another good video. Have a great day.